let's pick up some more of this Chinese white. And get some real nice splashing here at the moment. Really nice. As you can see, I'm not mixing it into the other colors. I'm using it completely on its own. And another thing is, if it's not part of the watercolor, why do they add it into the watercolor sets? That's the question I ask. Oh yes, we still need to do some there on the waves. Oh, not the waves, the splash. So let's put a bit more out there. We haven't come to the splash part yet.
Mary's asking, is the Chinese white, are you using it straight out the tube?
Absolutely straight out the tube. I'm not even adding water to it. It's straight out of the tube. And of course I've got this little brush here that's got the hair that is all nicely split open, and you can see. Take a brush that's got the hair split. That gives you those nice fine little dots. So don't always throw your brushes away. I've got some nice ones at home, but I haven't got them here. And they really work. Now you can come along and do that, and you can get those little extra little splashes which you couldn't get earlier on. So we've got that little splash there. Pick up some more. We're going to put some more up top here. Some of these little ones sort of splash out from away from the rest. Go back onto the bigger wave. Add a few little on this, just a few tiny, very carefully, a few tiny little ones on the sides. And that is what I was trying to do earlier on with the brush and splatter, but masking fluid was a little bit too thick. You need to water it down a little bit. Don't have to do it all on every single, all along the whole edge, just in areas where you've got these little pieces sort of splattering around. This adds to the more natural look. And let's go to the left hand side here. Let's put a few little ones in here. Some here, they can be a whole lot because they're all almost together here. There's a few more little ones inside. Now I'm going to come in and let's work. Just giving you those nice touch-ups here where you get this real foaminess coming along the top before it goes over the little ridge. And then it goes into the shadow. You've got this other little part across here. Yeah, and there it catches the little highlight. Yeah, let's make this one a nice little piece coming down here. Right, let's have a look at it. There we are.
Break, getting a bit of a line there, which is not parallel with the top of the picture.
Sorry, which is that line now?
You're getting a bit of a line, a straight line over here,
Oh,
which is not parallel with the top of the picture. So just break that up a little bit.
Yep. We shall do that. Good observation. So let's break that line a bit. Let's put this little one, right, let's have a look. I'm going to take this one here. I'm going to make that splash a little bit higher.
Take it straight out the picture here.
And take it straight up. The lovely little piece that's really going out. That nice little splash. An extra one. Yeah, well, that looks all right. So that's broken that line. Good. I think what we can do, maybe put a little I don't want to overdo it. Let's leave that. I thought I'd go add a few little waves in the distance. I think I'll just leave that. Okay, now I'm going to start coming into the front. But before I do that, let me just put the hairdryer on. Right. Yeah, I'm going to use a little bit of the cobalt turquoise. Let me just put a little bit here in the corner. Now I'm going to use a much bigger brush because I'm going to be doing all this wet in wet across in the front. So let's come across. Now I'm going to wet this whole paper across here, but not completely. There's a few little dry areas in between. All I want to do is just right. Let's take a little bit of that color and start adding some of it in. Lovely sunny color, right? While it is still wet, I'll add some of this some darker streaks inside. Add some more of this other blue color. It becomes almost like a gray in between. Gives you those shadows in the waves. Where I've got this turquoise, you can actually use some of your viridian color in there. I'm going to make a bit of more of a purpley color now, a bluey for the foreground. I figure these dry a little bit lighter than what you see here. I'm going to be bringing other colors in. I normally darken the foreground. It pushes your eye into the picture. Here we got this. I'm going to do something else. I'm going to take my spray bottle and this little spray bottle here, and I'm going to put a few sprays across. Just break up. Oops, I need some of the. Just to break up some of those lines. Gives you extra little bits of turbulence. Just soaking up this bottom of the bottom here. Put my hairdryer on for a while. Right, I'm going to come up to this other mauvey color now, and I'm going to a bit too blue. I'm going to put a bit more. There we go. Just putting some water there, just softening those edges. Just softening some of those edges there to bring it into a nice, got a nice little, I've taken the flatness away. I wanted to get the flatness away inside here, so you've got some reasonable movement in this water. And I'm going to take some bit of ultramarine, and I'm going to take put a very light blue run right across here. Very light. very light bit of this brown in the front here, catching a bit of the sand. In the roughness, just to give it a bit of a warmer color in the front. And let's do something else. I'm going to take some of my Chinese white and I'm going to add some gulls. Let's put a few gulls here. Another little one in. Let's put one right down here. So we don't just have 4. But now I'm going to take a little touch of blue and a little touch of burnt sienna, but with hardly any water. I need a nice, very dark color. Almost black. Let's just test that. There you go. The gulls normally have a bit of a black on the tip of their wing. There we got a few gulls flying around. It needs a little bit of other color, so we just get here a little bit of this mauvey mishmash, bluey mishmash. I'm just mixing the whole lot together, and just a very light, I don't want to put too heavy, a bit of a darker color across here. Shows up the wave better. It's got a bit of a shadow underneath here as well. Yeah, right. Go. paper's got a bit of a curl in it because that is how it came out of the pad. So I'm going to just do that little trick. Let me show you on this side, those that haven't seen it. You go here. Let me just get that. Put that here. And I'm going to just take that curl out. That one here. There we go. We're going to do it that way. There. Nice and flat. Oh, I haven't signed it, so let's just sign it quickly with my pencil. Yeah, let me put my proper glasses on here. There we go. Right, I hope you enjoyed this today. And some more nice paintings to come on. Proud of you guys. You're doing a nice job. Some lovely paintings lately. And you do me proud. And I can see a lot of people are really, really enjoying their paintings. And even on the oil painting classes as well too. Those who are doing oil painting classes, coming out, some fabulous work coming out. So next year is going to be even better still. We're going to see some more coming out. A lot of you are way on your way towards the master class and becoming a master artist. That's the way to do it. Practice, practice, practice. Each week you've been doing a painting that's nice, absolutely spot on. The more you paint, the better you get, as they say.